AI is coming for our jobs. At least that's what the media say. Software developers aren't immune from it, and it's time it happened to us. But this got me thinking, how far has AI really come, and should software developers be worried? So over the next 7 days, I'm going to set out on a completely different project. I'm going to create a fully functional product using nothing but AI tools. No manual coding, no human design, just me directing the AI. Will it work? Will it fail spectacularly? How good will the end result even be? Hey, I'm Mike, a software developer with over 15 years of experience, and I'm about to embark on a completely different project for me. We've all heard the hype about AI. ChatGPT, Claude, DALL-E, Midjourney, these tools are all supposedly revolutionising how we work. But as a developer, I've always been slightly sceptical. Can AI really match human creativity and problem solving skills? And that's what I want to find out. So over the next week, I'm going to build a complete product from scratch using only AI tools. Here's the plan. I'll begin with just an idea, and then day by day I'll use AI to flesh out the concept, create the designs, write the code, test and debug it, deploy a functioning product, and then come up with the marketing. I'll probably mainly use Claude for the coding and problem solving, and then Midjourney or DALL-E for any design work. And then if I need anything else, I'm just going to have to discover a new AI tool for it. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Isn't this just going to prove that AI can replace developers? Maybe, but my role in this is just to find out if it can. I'm just going to tell the AI what to do and let it be the problem solver and make critical decisions. Think of it as a test of human AI collaboration rather than AI replacement. And if I'm honest, I'm not really sure what to expect. Will we end up with functioning product? Probably. But will it be any good? That's the real question. I think before we start on this journey, there's several challenges that I think will come up. The first one, ensuring consistency across different AI tools. The second one, handling any complex logic and design of the system. The third, dealing with limitations of the current AI technology. And 4, context length limits. But that's what will make this interesting. We'll be putting hype to the test, and will AI-assisted development live up to the challenge? So over the next week, I'll document every step of this journey. You'll see the triumphs, any failures, and everything in between. There'll be daily updates on TikTok and Twitter, longer recaps here on YouTube, and maybe even some shorts thrown in on YouTube. So if you're curious about the future of software development, or if you just want to see someone crash and burn in public, then hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Let the AI challenge begin.